Welcome back. Well, fall is falling across Acadiana. Finally, the gumbo pots and pans are clattering and beautiful celestial events going on. So let's get over to the wall and kind of show you pictures sent in tonight from James Grundy. He hooks us up coming out of Oberlin. This is a 98% super moon. It's going to be the Hunter's moon. He's got a really good camera. Check out his site out. And again, nice shot of the moon and also the comet visible. And a little bit later into the evening hours because it's a little bit higher in the sky. And what I have noticed on many of the pictures I saw coming in tonight, the tail not as pronounced as was last night, but you can see that good comet head right there, that ball of ice that is just being blown off by the solar wind. So visible a couple of more nights. I have instructions on how to check it out on the top, pinned on the top of my Facebook page. So please check that out. You have to use your iPhone pretty much, or your regular, whatever your phone you have, put it on a tripod and take pictures of the western sky shortly after sunset. It's hard to see with the naked eye. You got to kind of spot it on your phone first. Then you can kind of see it a little bit, and binoculars also help as well. Well, this upper level trough is helping to produce drier air, so the visibility of that supermoon and the brightness will be even better, and probably the comet as well, because drier air is moving in as high pressure up across the upper Midwest is building to the south. We see the pressure gradient here, the lines of equal pressure squeezing down on us. That means it's going to get breezier throughout the night tonight and be downright gusty for a part of the day tomorrow. And with the extra dry air, the low humidity, the gusty winds, and the antecedent very dry conditions across the region, we have a red flag warning for all of the area for Wednesday, a pretty high fire danger. Sometimes these fires get going and they spread very quickly. It doesn't take much when we're dry. And again, the latest drought status is not too particularly good for the area and getting worse. This was as of last Thursday. We'll get an update coming this Thursday, but notice southwest Louisiana now getting into a moderate drought, and much of the area is getting dry. So as we open it on up, we'll go to where it's wet, and we still have some tropical systems. One over here in the Atlantic has a chance of development, and also in the same Genesis zone that we saw hurricanes Beryl, Francine, Helene, and Milton come out of the Caribbean, get into the southern Gulf, and then move to the north. That's not going to happen with this one. This one's going to move to the west. And again, this one, NHC has dropped it down from 60% to 50%, so a little iffy if that's going to develop. But we're in good shape here in the Gulf of Mexico. We have the westerlies going. We'll probably have another front before the month is done, but I don't see much in the way of rainfall, but we don't want tropical rainfall, that's for sure as well. So front pushing on through across the area, windy and cooler for tomorrow. High pressure stays large and in charge, and it dominates our weather pattern through the rest of the week and into the weekend, with nice, crisp and cool nights ahead, and more of the same as we go into the weekend, although we'll see temperatures modifying a bit this weekend. Notice the wind gusts, though. This is the HER model here, going for 20, 30-mile-an-hour gusts. In some spots, it could be in the 40s, so it's going to be a little windy as we go through the overnight hours into tomorrow morning, and then the winds begin to die down. But wind gusts in the 25 to 35-mile-per-hour range will be possible, and then the winds gradually abating into tomorrow evening. And a plus with the wind, if you're going out to see the moon or the comet, you don't have to deal with as many mosquitoes, so that's a bonus as well. So overnight tonight, mid to upper 40s to lower 50s across the northernmost parishes of Acadiana, low to mid 50s across the I-10 corridor for daybreak tomorrow, and much the same down along the coast. Then tomorrow, readings hard pressed to make the lower 70s. Boy, that's going to feel good. Everybody's going to have a zip in their step. Lower 70s I-10 corridor, and much the same down along the coast. Then, wait, there's more. Tomorrow night, even chillier. Upper 30s, Ville Platte on northward through Bunkie, Alexandria. So we're not expecting a frost, but there's going to be a chill in the air. This will be the coolest night we'll have for the next 10 days. Low to mid 40s as we head toward Thursday morning, and much the same down along the coast. So overnight tonight, we'll go 54 for your low, with winds gusting, and they'll be picking up overnight tonight, so the wind chimes will be going. Maybe a few clouds out there, but I don't see any on the satellite imagery. So for tomorrow, a sunny day, 72 the high. Again, that red flag warning for the fire potential. Be careful again. And again, nary a cloud to be found as we move forward in the 10-day forecast. Highs in the 70s through the rest of the week. Again, Friday morning feeling good. Back into the 50s at daybreak as we head into the weekend and next week. But overall, a nice dry pattern that will continue. Notice those highs getting back toward the upper 80s. But maybe we're done with 90s as of today. We'll see. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up in just a little bit.